What's up, everybody? Welcome to a unboxing video. Um, Once again, thanks for watching this video. Today, I have another mystery box from J Bonanza. Um, Got it from the seller before. I got some good books out of it. Um, I'll leave a description again, or should I say a link in the description. But without further ado, because I want to say I have 30 some books in here, let's go ahead and get into it. I ordered 3 boxes, but it looks like he must have just packed them all in one. Good job of packing. I do like that. Well, I even put these in there. Oh, God. There we go, folks. Blue painted tape, always a nice thing. No pull tabs though. A nice looking brick of books here. Sometimes you hate getting into stuff, but I always appreciate it when things are packed well. I see. Put them all in one, but three different bricks. All right. So let's start with this one, brick 1. There's no like grand prize or guaranteed or anything like that. You know, it's not like a search or just you hope to get good books. It looks like I may have to go in all different ways. Okay, well. let's just get into it. First one is Cosmic Ghost Rider Destroys Marvel History. Not bad, not bad. All new, all different Avengers. Number 4. And it actually has another book on the back. An old man Tony Stark. The Avengers number 4. Alright. Hulk number 18. Like that. Anytime I get some Hulk. Next is Cable. Got some shiny goodness here. Cable number 16. The Knob number 79. I have never had a war book. They're not really my thing, but cool. Daredevil, A Man Without Fear. I definitely like. Ooh. It's a nice book. I gotta look at this one, people. Big Daredevil fan. I don't think I've ever seen this. So this is a one shot. It's got some spine ticks, that's for sure. Not bad. You can see some ticks in there. But like I said, I know I paid less than $1 a book for everything. Got a really great deal. So it's probably a fine copy. Next. Oh shit. 15 Center Thor. I do not believe I have this. Nice. Alright, I'm trying to. Next is Running with the Devil. This is a Kingpin number 1. Okay. This is another one of those Uncanny Avengers number 1. And then on the back side is another Ultron Forever Avengers number 1. Kind of nice. Not quite sure. Okay. Another double-sided Wolverine number 20. Wolverine and Kingpin. And then a Wolverine number 9. Not bad. Definitely not bad. Decent titles. 15 Center and the Thor. That's I like this. I don't think I have that one for my run. All right. Let's get into another brick of books. Like I said, once again, there'll be a link in the description to his eBay store. If you like what you see, definitely look him up. Check him out. Ooh, nice. Dude, I don't have this for my run either. Daredevil 302. I like it. Definitely some more goodness. Next we have Unworthy. This is a variant edition. This is a small key. I have seen this book on the wall at an LCS before. So that is nice. I am liking that. Of course I have the whole Unworthy Thor run, but I don't have this cover. Okay. The Incredible Hulks. Nice book there. Hulk. I like to get a lot of major titles. Marvel. I was going to say DC, but I don't think I've got one DC book yet. More. Ooh, a True Believers. I'm not big on getting these. I know the True Believers are all those $1 books. Oh well, though. Incredible Hulk, True Believers #1. Okay. Next is Web of Spider-Man. I love anytime I get Spider-Man. Issue 55 with floating heads. And I'm not going to bore y'all with trying to open up each one. Everybody knows I'll go through them, get conditions, and price them out, stuff like that. Some will stay with me. Some will probably go up for auction. Marvel Knights #2. I like that card. I think that's when we did like a 20th anniversary of Marvel Knights. I think the MK20 was for. That's some Punisher and Elektra going on there. It's a nice book. Next is more Daredevil Fall from Grace Chapter 2. Was actually Daredevil 321. Definitely don't have this either. I've gotten quite some books to add to the PC. I like, oh, this is a two-sided. I got The Fallen #1 from Civil War 2. That's a nice Hulk cover. There, Hulk kind of like have his face a skeleton. I like that. Now the back side is Uncanny X Force #6. Nice stuff there. Ooh, a good one. Marvel Tales. Starring Spider-Man. It's the Marvel Tales 62. But The Coming of the Kangaroo. I can't remember off the top of my head if the Tales are the ones that reprinted other stories. That one's got some reader copy for sure. Some damage going on. Alright. Last one in here is a Captain America #41. I do kind of like that cover. Alright, yeah. Captain America. Last brick. I don't think, I still don't think I've been, I don't think I've had one DC book. I know some people out there going, who cares? It's just DC. I like to get a little mix. But then again, I know there's an offer where you can get all Marvel or mix or all DC. I may have accidentally got the whole Marvel. All right. Oh, another True Believers Incredible Hulk. That's okay. Oop, some more Daredevil. This is 325. Fall from Grace finale. I like that cover though. Definitely could be one for the PC. Next up is Spider-Man and the Marvel Team Up at 30 Center. That is nice. And a newsstand edition. So let's hope this one does not have too many issues, because that is nice. Oh, I like this. Punisher Warzone #1. Like that. Ultimate Comics Hawkeye #1. Looks like it's still in the poly bag. Let's see if the poly bag is sealed. Look, the poly bag is sealed as well. So that's pretty nice right there. Let's keep it going. Cable #3. Nice. Next is more Daredevil. 242. Like it. Seems to be in pretty good shape. And next I got a two-sider. Uncanny X-Force #1. And Uncanny X-Force #2. So those X-Force books there. Last book of the night here from my mystery box is Captain America 251, 50 center, newsstand copy. And it's in, this was in pretty good shape from on the outside, because like I said, I still gotta go through them. So yeah, that is my mystery box haul from J Bonanza, eBay seller. I think it was going to be something like 33 or 35 books. I only got about 50, maybe $55 in. So just like not even $2 a book. So we're not going to worry about trying to figure out price. clearly got my money's worth on some of these. Plus, I got some good titles. So yeah, definitely not disappointed again with Jay Bonanza's books. Um, uh, Also went on the hunt for um, a figure that just recently came out as a collectible. I just kind of wanted to show that real quick. Getting more and more little figures nowadays. And it's because this is a McFarlane. Well, the McFarlane toy line of DC. So thought that was pretty nice. Had to go with kind of the little. I don't open them up. So yeah. So Jay Bonanza mystery boxes. I'll have a link in the description. Um, if you like what you see, definitely hit them up for that. I definitely think the value is there. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate it. And if you haven't done so yet, please take the time to subscribe to the channel. Please share the video. Um, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more content when I bring it out. As well as, leave some comments. Let me know what you thought. I always like to interact with the community. So until the next time, everybody out there, be safe. Take care of one another in these crazy times we're living in. And let's just be respectful. Okay? Always remember, stay worthy.